Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows settings are not opening or working properly on your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. Now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Copy the first one, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. Hit Enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that command is done running, go ahead and copy the second command and then paste it into the command prompt window the same way I did the first one. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully now if you open up settings, it should be able to work correctly. If you're still having a problem, you can always try doing a system restore as well. So if you go ahead and search for reset this PC or create a restore point, I'm going to select create a restore point. So if there are any restore points available, you can go ahead and actually system restore option. It's grayed out because there aren't any in our case. So pretty straightforward process, guys. The first couple of commands we ran should have taken care of that issue and a lot of other problems too. But pretty straightforward. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.